Yes guys, welcome to Math with Adam. Now in this video, we are going to find the faces, the vertices, and the edges of the 3D shapes. Okay, so like you know already, a cube has how many faces? How many faces? 6 faces. Okay, so let's count. We have one face down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So a cube has what? 6 faces. Great. Now let's look at the vertices. The vertices are the same as the corners. So let's count the corners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 up and then 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making what? 8. Okay, now we are going to count the edges. Okay, so let's count the edges. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it has 12 edges. All right, dear students, so we are looking at properties of 3D shapes. We are looking at properties of 3D shapes. So now we are going to look at the properties of triangular pyramid. So as you can see, this is a triangular pyramid. So we are going to look at the properties of what? Triangular pyramid. So we are going to count the faces together, okay? So I want you to count with me. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So a triangular pyramid has what? 4 faces. Now let's look at the vertices or the corners. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. It also has what? 4 vertices or corners. Now finally, let's look at the edges. Let's count together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it has what? 6 edges. Great. Now the next one is a square-based pyramid. As you can see, this is a square-based pyramid. So we are going to count the faces together. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this has 5 faces. Okay? Now let's go to the corners or the vertices. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. Now let's go to the edges. So we are going to count the edges together. So let's start from the base. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we have 4 edges at the base. Now let's go up 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. Okay, so let's come to the properties of triangular prism. This is a triangular prism. Okay, it has 2 triangles. There's one triangle here, another one here. So, and then it has 3 rectangles. So this is what a triangular prism. So let's count the faces. So there is one face down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the triangular prism has 5 faces. Okay, let's count the vertices or the corners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Now let's count the edges. So we are going to count the edges. So I'm going to start from here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So it has 9 edges. Okay, so finally, let's come to the pentagonal prism. Pentagonal prism, because we have the base is a pentagon and the top is also a pentagon. Okay, so this is a pentagonal prism. So we are going to find the properties of pentagonal prism. So first of all, let's look at the faces. Let's count the faces. Okay, so we have one face up, 1, 2. Okay, so one face up, 1, 2. Then we are going to count around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 faces. Okay, so it is 7 because we have 5 rectangular faces and we have 2 pentagonal faces. Okay, great. So now we finished with the faces. Now let's come to the corners or the vertices. So it's easy. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 up and 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have what? 10. Okay. Now the vertices looks a little bit difficult, but it's not difficult. So we are going to count the vertices. Okay. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 up. And we're going to be having 5 down. Don't forget that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? And then we have 5 around. So we have 5 up, 5 down, making 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So pentagonal prism has what? 15 edges. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to take your time and practice this with your children at home. Okay? Practice this with your children at home. Have a good time. See you later. Bye.